Good day everyone, and welcome back to another Jason's transport vlog video. I'm currently at Rhodes station today, standing on platform number 1. I just got off this train, Warsaw at A17. So today we'll be doing some train spotting here in the afternoon peak for about 20 or so minutes. See how many trains we can feature. Enjoy this video. Alright, so after this video, I'll be taking a train back on the same line to Eastwood. So I'm going to head to platform number, what is that, 2, 3? I don't know, and then we'll continue filming there. We have about 2 or 3 minutes before Newcastle Interchange service pass, so hopefully we can get that. Alright, now I ran down to platform 2 and 3, so I was standing here. Now I'm here just in time, because our Newcastle Interchange bound Marion DC is about to pass through platform number 2. Marion said D149, D51. Alright, now I'm going to stop talking for the rest of the video and just film trains. Oh, we got a Broken Hill. Sorry, we got a Sydney bound Explorer from Armadale and Explorer. So after this train passes, I'm actually going to stop talking.
Station clean. Please put your rubbish in the bins below.
Red light ahead. I will try to get this train to honk, except it's the afternoon peak hour and I don't want to scare people. A15. D6342 was the first call. Alright, we got a Bisa about to pull into platform 1. Alright guys, so quick update. So the next train that actually stops me on platform 2 will be the one that I get on, which I'll take back to Eastwood. So before that, we should have another train come into platform 1, Marion Disa past platform 2, and then the train after that will be mine. In fact, I see that platform 1 train arriving right now. But we'll cut into that since it's still so far away. Marion Disa about to pass. A76. Alright guys, the world tour now approaching platform 2 is the train now, so I'll wrap up this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to comment if you want to request a train spotting video at a location. And yeah, do all that good stuff. And we'll see you all next time.